Cody, come here.
There's your buddy, huh?
Go grab him. Go pet him. Go pet him, Doug. Go pet him. Hey, Cody.
1 out of 7. That's not.
Go pet him.
Yeah. No, we have.
Stay here, Cody. Stay here. Stay here with Doug. He likes it. Yeah. 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 This is a video.
That's great.
Here, Cody. Cody is cute.
You like Cody? What? I'm not sure where Kate went. I think Kate will be right back.
I'm playing the piano.
Oh. Doug, you want to go see the piano? Come on.
Why don't you go find Dad? Don't you go find Dad? Yeah, you can go out there with your kids.
Well, I think there's plenty to eat, so he's making the rounds to like find things to eat. Yeah. So cute. Good for warming up. Yeah, Cody's looking at that food, isn't he?
He wants to eat that food, but he can't. That's not for him.
Ask him to shake hands. Come on, shake his hand.
Shake his hand.
Shake his hand.
Yeah, that's right. Good job.
Good boy.
Good job.
It's amazing how they're hearing a Christmas with food in your hand.
Yeah, right. What do you say, Doug?
Love me?
He's saying, lick me? No, don't grab his ears.
Cody.
He's just the perfect size for Danielle.
He likes him. No, Doug, don't grab his ears. Just pet his back, gently.
I'm going to take this over because on the
Yeah.
higher table. Out of Doggy's nose.
Yeah.
Doug, do you want to go see the piano? Want to go see the piano with Kate? Come on. Come on. Come on this way. Yeah, the piano's right in here. You can hear it. There's Mommy and Kate playing the piano. We got some great footage of Doug playing with Cody. He's super into Cody. Hi, cute one. Come this way, Doug. This way.
Okay, spit over in the chair, and we have to share the chair with Doug, okay?